Hi, this is Kazuyo. In this lesson, you'll draft a complete pattern for a retractable Gusset tote bag using Claw 3D. In this case, the gusset is attached to the side body construction. You'll create the gusset pattern and darts to shape it and adjust its outline length so it matches the body pattern exactly. You'll also learn key claw tools for adding darts and using offset pattern outline to extend the pattern outline while maintaining its original shape. Let's get started. Gusset pattern replication. Use the Trace tool and select Trace as pattern to duplicate the gusset from your foundation pattern. This creates a separate gusset pattern piece for further shaping. Internal body line drafting. Next to the gusset, draw the internal body square line matching the height exactly to your gusset height. Set the width according to your blueprint dimensions. Adjusting the top gusset line and opening. Using the internal polygon line tool, trace the top edge of the gusset from your design's top view and measure its total length. If you want a wider opening between the front and back panels, extend this line. Keep in mind, extending it too much will push the gusset too far inside when the bag is closed, making it hard to fit items inside. Extend carefully according to your design need. Adjusting the gusset length. Use the Change Length command to set the gusset segment to your design's exact length. In many designs, a square-shaped gusset is preferred. It simplifies cutting and reduces material waste during production. Dot adjustment. Use the moving distance feature to adjust both dot arms to between 16 mm and 17.5 mm. This ensures the gusset will fit smoothly with the body panel during assembly. Shape dot cap. Delete unnecessary curve point with the edit curve point to simplify the shape. Then with edit curvature, add a gentle curve that follows your design. Since the shape dot cap function doesn't work well with handbag patterns, manually adjust the dart's length and reshape the dart cap for a clean, smooth sewing line. Pattern preparation complete. Unfold the body and apply the cowhide leather material. In this design, the body is divided into 3 body pieces instead of 1. Your set now includes 3 body pieces, 2 gusset, and 1 handle, all ready for final assembly.